Hello guys, this is Ramesh from Gears Chennai. Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be all about MT Stinger helmet. This particular graphics is known as Melkor. You can see it right here. This is a newly launched graphics by MT. Explain the features of this helmet now. Let me go with the air ventilation channels. This helmet has 3 air ventilation channels. Front, in the chin part you'll have 1 ventilation, and in the top head part you'll have 2 air ventilation. This helmet visor has a pin lock ready option as well. Let me go with the padding now. This padding is high comfortable cushioning only, and of course this is removable and washable liners. Your Bluetooth and intercom can be attached inside the helmet. It comes with a default chin curtain as well. And this lock system is quick release lock system for your touring purpose. It comes with a inbuilt spoiler at the back for better aerodynamics purpose while riding. These are the basic features of this helmet, and this helmet is readily available at our store for your pickup. Do follow us on Instagram for all the regular updates and all new arrivals. If you really like this video, give it a like, share, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.